There is a stepwise process in order to register your school for finding job seekers suitable for your organization. Hello, recruiters. In TeachConnect URL, you have typed it, and this is the landing page. First, you got to register. There are two options and tabs here, Job Seeker and Recruiter. Click on Recruiter. Fill up the formality details, the same as the Gmail details, for you to get the verification mail there. Filling up the email ID, then the mobile number, now the password. These are mandatory fields and you have to confirm the password. Click on this tick box and register. You can register with Google or register with Facebook too. You can check your email box to verify this email. Then go to your Gmail, click on the verification link, and this is mandatory to complete the registration process. Click here. That's the verification link. You will get this on your email ID. The verification is successful. Now, fill up the details in order to log in. For the convenience of the recruiters, there are 4 different plans. Each plan can be used for a different purpose. There is a starter plan which costs just 700 rupees per month, wherein the recruiter can post 1 job per month and 1 month access will be there with 8 resumes downloadable for this plan. The next plan is the basic plan, wherein it costs 1500 rupees for 3 months, as the validity is for 3 months, access is for 3 months, 3 jobs can be posted and 20 resumes can be downloaded. The third and the most recommended plan is a professional plan for 2500 rupees for 1 year validity, wherein the recruiter can post up to 5 jobs. There is an access for 12 months and 30 resumes can be downloaded. The final plan is the premium plan. It's an open plan wherein it costs 3500 rupees per annum. 10 jobs can be posted during this time and 12 months access is available, and the important part is unlimited resumes can be downloaded. Your order, you have selected a premium plan. Then you have full name, email ID and all other particulars. For premium plan it is 3500. We can proceed to payment. The billing information is all there. You have many options of payment. You can pay through GPay or any UPI or through net banking. Make a payment. Congratulations. Thank you for purchasing this premium plan. You can click on the bell icon and you can see that you get a notification that you purchased a premium plan. These orders will appear in your email. You must check on this. See the purchase plan, there is a tick and you have to fill up the profile details. The job title, where you are posting, your school name, your address, school address, phone number, your state, Telangana, and the district. Say Hyderabad here in sample. PIN code is also mandatory. Then the description of school in a few words, less than 250 characters. The school size, this will give information to the job seeker, school started date, the skills what you are looking for, and you can download all the necessary details and post the profile picture. You can post the profile picture here. The profile is updated now. You can see that the profile is 100% completed.